Hello and welcome back to my channel Breathing Gratitude in association with 360 Degrees Solutions. This is Dr. Arthur Gomes, Master Practitioner, Life Coach, and Mentor. This morning, again, I bring you one more wonderful money attraction technique, and it's called Money Attraction Technique C Square. Money Attraction Technique C Square. With C Square, I mean charcoal and clove. Okay? You can attract a lot of money in your life with clove. Some of you know it. Don't practice it. Now I want to bring it to you so that you can practice it as a ritual. What you will need is something like this. You get, coal in these kind of wrappers, and you need a coal disc which looks like this. It's lovely and it's quite safe. It does not fly around like the charcoal pieces that you are known to, and it's pretty economical as well. You will get it at your local store, or the malls will also keep it. Then you also require your wonderful magical clove. You require this clove. You see how it looks? Wonderful. Oh, smells wonderful. Now, let's get down to the process. You'll need a disc of charcoal and you'll need your clove. You'll need a few cloves actually, about 3 or 5 of them. Yeah. Now, you'll need to light the coal. You use a safety lighter or you use your gas lighter. You light one end of it, allow it to emit and start burning. It starts getting red. After about 60 seconds, you'll see it gets nice and red hot. Once it reaches that, put it in a burner. You have the burners which you can carry where you do a lot of, cleansing in your house. You can do that. Once you put the charcoal in the burner, you put about 2 to 3 of these cloves on top of the charcoal. It starts burning. Now, when it starts burning, the aroma of the clove starts, growing. Take the burner throughout your house. Let the aroma of the clove, be sanctified within the walls of your home. You can also use that for the space where you sit to work, where you keep your laptop, where you keep your camera, where you keep your fax. Utilize the smoke over there as well. Keep it there for some time. Let the smoke energize, cleanse that place as well. Now, after this aroma spreads, take it into your living room, take it into your kitchen, take it into your bedroom. Make sure that every room of yours is covered. Within 2 to 3 days, you will notice positive changes in your home and money finding its way to you. Once you do this, continue to take inspired actions at your end. Do what you're doing best. Let the process follow, but you follow your own process too. Work smart at your end so that your actions convert and transcend into the outcomes that you want. Don't question the 5 W's and 2 H: who, where, when, what, why, how, and how much. I have mentioned this on all my earlier videos as well. Do this remedy with utmost faith, feelings, and focus, the 3F methodology. After this, let go. Let the universe take it from here. And you will know that universe timing is perfect. It will come to you at the right time. Now, as I'm talking to you about this video, we're doing a fantastic 3-in-1 clap master practitioner program which covers law of attraction, NLP, and mindfulness. Now, this program is spread across 12 modules. It's an online self-paced study, 12 modules, and it covers all that you need to know about law of attraction, NLP, and mindfulness. It has got a plethora of techniques that you need in your day to day life for manifestation, for calming down, for boosting sales, attracting clients, getting more footfalls. All these techniques will be covered in these three programs for the price of one. Now, if you go to do these three programs outside, my friends, it's going to cost you a bomb. Here we bring it to you at highly discounted rates. So do call the number on your screen below to get in touch with me. WhatsApp, call, SMS, and we'll get in touch and I'll tell you more about the program. We've got 92 members globally today who have registered and been certified. And as I'm talking, there are about 6 to 8 of them who are appearing for their assessment and ready to be certified. There are inquiries pouring in, and a lot of people have shown interest, members in India and across the globe, to get to do this program. So I look forward to your call, your SMS, and we can get talking then. You can find my videos on LinkedIn, Facebook pages, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. The 3-in-1 Clap program, the Master Practitioner program, has also got an assessment of 100 marks after the 3 weeks that you've been given for going through the modules and bring up any queries that you have. After your 100 marks assessment, you get your certification, which mentions that you are now certified as a trained master practitioner for law of attraction, NLP, and mindfulness. Now, this is something that is going to hold you in good stead for the rest of your life. So don't waste time. Pick up your phones and call the number right now. Do share, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more such videos that I will bring to you with more knowledge to upgrade and upskill yourself. Thanks for watching. You guys stay safe, wear your mask, sanitization is your top priority, and till then, you have a wonderful day ahead. Enjoy the day, have fun, and I'll come around with some more videos. Until then, take care, bye-bye, tada.